Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And today we're going to be showing you how to clean your Nintendo 64 cartridges. Let's get started. So to clean Nintendo 64 cartridges, you're going to be needing a few things. First of all, which is isopropyl alcohol. 75% or higher. I'm going to be using 99% for this example. The next thing you're going to need is a game bit screwdriver to open up the cartridge. The next thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver for the metal casing that's inside, some cotton swabs, and a non-static conductive surface. I'm going to be using my desk for this example. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take off the two screws that are on the back here using the game bit screwdriver. Okay, then we're going to open up the case. Should be fairly simple. Okay, next thing we're going to do is use the Phillips head screwdriver to take out the two screws holding in this metal casing here. Okay, once those are taken out, we can just take out the PCB and the metal casing all in one shot. And there we have it. It might come apart relatively easily after that, so just be careful of that. Okay, with everything set aside, we can start with the cleaning. Now, what we're going to do is take a cotton swab and clean the pins on both sides. And the next thing we're going to do is clean up the metal casing for the PCB. Once we have everything all cleaned up, we can start reassembling. What I'm going to do is actually just reassemble the metal plates here, and just get them out of the way, keep everything neat. Okay, and we'll fix everything up once we clean the outside of the cartridge. Speaking of which, I was actually kind of a dummy and yeah, didn't capture any of the footage for cleaning the actual plastics. But if you watch my Super Nintendo video, you'll kind of see what I had to go through. And also, just remember, assembly is just the reversal of disassembly. And once everything is put back together, we should have a fairly clean cartridge. Alright, that'll do for us this video. Thank you for watching, and any products we show off in these videos will be right down there in the Amazon affiliate links. Please check them out. If you like these videos, please hit that like button, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for watching, and have a good one, everybody.